coal ball press as a kind of heavy equipment. Safe operation should be kept in mind. After the installation of the equipment is completed, the whole machine needs to run empty for 2 to 4 hours before checking that there is no abnormal phenomenon. The correct use method can not only ensure the personal safety of the staff, but also improve the service life of the clean coal ball press. How to repair and maintain the clean coal ball press? Generally speaking, in order to ensure the normal production of clean coal ball press and improve the service life of the equipment, special personnel should be equipped with the operation, maintenance and repair of the equipment. Regularly check the following work. A connection is firm. 2. Reduce a gear tooth surface contact. 3. Check the temperature rise of each part. Refueling on time. Replacement of new oil and so on.